Mate AI Chatbot Assistant Review. So, Mate AI is marketed as a versatile chatbot assistant for personal productivity, task automation, and customer support. First, the interface and usability. It's clean, minimal, and easy to set up. You can train it on your own data, connect it with apps, and get quick answers. Second, the AI performance. Mate AI does well in conversational tasks and basic automations. It's not as advanced as enterprise level assistants like ChatGPT Enterprise or Microsoft Copilot. But for individuals and small businesses, it's considered reliable. Third is the features. It supports integrations with messaging apps like email and even CRM tools, making it versatile for work-related tasks. Finally, for the pricing. Compared to competitors, Mate AI is affordable, but you should check if its features overlap with your AI tools you already use. So, for final verdict, Mate AI is worth it if you want a budget-friendly AI assistant. But if you won't fully replace premium platforms, in 2025, it's a solid entry-level tool. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.